guys, it is Monday evening. We're in the shop. Me, Maggie, and Brad. So Brad's gonna start working on the brakes. You guys seen the cost for the brakes. She knows I'm videoing. Hush your mouth up. Hush your mouth up. Alright, so here, what? Here are the brake pads. That's the front, that's the rears, and then under that is the rotors. And then here is some seals. We gotta rebuild, or we don't have to do anything. He's gotta rebuild a caliper. He's got one sticking. Which one is it, the right front? Left front, I knew it was a front. He's got a left front caliper sticking, so he's gotta rebuild that as well as put pads and rotors on it. So here is the rotors. We got 4 of those, didn't we? Yeah, we got 4 of those and all new brake pads for all the way around it. Let me put everything back in this box. So, and we use Stoptech brakes.
Sorry, we got a busy week.
Yeah. So we've got a very, very busy week this week. And I think we told you guys, but I don't know, we may have failed to tell you guys that on the brakes, we usually replace those, what, once a year? Once, maybe twice a year. Just kind of depends on, rotors we only replace once or twice a year. Generally just once. Pads you may replace, what, twice? Hush! If she ever knows we're videoing, she goes crazy. See, it's only when I start talking that she starts saying stuff. She's broken. But hush! Your mouth up!
She's been out in the yard all day and now she wants to go out there.
Yeah, she's been outside playing. Now she don't even want to go out there. Oh, now she's going daddy. Alright, but we've got all kinds of sorry guys. Sorry. She's off the chain today. She's got a little bit of sugar. But we got brakes to do all the way around. And then we've also got tires to do. We got all of these tires. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Are we doing all these this week, babe?
5 of them.
5 of them. Okay, so we're doing 5 tires. We got 6 here. So out of all these tires, we're not doing 1, which he's already started on 1 over here. This is our tire demon. I know you guys seen it in one of our previous videos. This is the tire demon. If you guys are in the market for a tire demon, just reach out to us. We are actually a dealer, so we can get those. And then also the easy wheel. So this thing's probably your favorite, right, babe? This easy wheel thing. This easy wheel is probably one of your favorite parts about this tire demon, isn't it?
Pretty cool.
Yeah. So we really haven't utilized it yet, just because we haven't ran any new tires just yet. Well, I think we've had 1 set maybe.
Not since we had.
Yeah. So we haven't used it since we've had this. We've only had like maybe 1, 2 sets of tires this year. We've been running old tires all year. As you can see, all those are all old tires. But this thing lets you mount the tire up so that you can groove it, sap it, whatever you need to do without having to actually put it on a rim. So you can get this tire completely prepared, and
You just can't grow.
you just can't grow them because you can only put 25 PSI. It's got a max of 25 PSI. So if you need to grow it, you can't. That's the only thing you really can't do. But you can have this tire completely prepared and ready to go on a wheel, so that once you put it on the wheel, it's ready to bolt on the race car. And you're not even, you don't have to put it on a wheel, so that takes a little bit of the work out. I watched Brad put this on the other day. Didn't look like it was very hard. Now sometimes he makes things look a little bit easier than they are, but this just bolts onto this, and then put the tire on it, and then put this on it, and put air in it, and it just kind of seats it. And it's been sitting here since Saturday and hasn't lost any air. So it does its job. It does a great job. But let's get over here, see what these people are doing. Oh, looks like Magnolia's just in the way. He can't even breathe without her right there. Magnolia May. What are you doing? What are you doing? So he's already starting to get to work on the brakes here. You having a hard time getting up, babe?
Well, I got something right up under me.
Yeah. It's still in your wrenches right now? That thing?
What's needed?
She's just a little miniature him. She's running off with him. She grabs 2 wrenches and just starts walking away with them. Take them back to Daddy. Take them back to Daddy. He needs them. Here, Dad.
Bring them here. Hurry. Hurry. Thank you.
Good job. But I'm gonna let him work on that for a second, and then I'll get some more video in just a few minutes. Are you working on it, baby? What are you working on? She may have watched her daddy a time or two. You fix it? Did you fix it? Did you fix it? Yeah, can you say hey? Tell everybody hey. Hey. Alright guys, so I hadn't been videoing this, but he's rebuilding the caliper here. Like I said earlier, this is the left front caliper.
I think that piston there was the issue.
Yeah?
That O-ring didn't want to come out, and that piston didn't want to come out.
Yeah?
So I think that was the issue. But you got it this far, you gotta go ahead and fix them all.
You got gaskets for them all. Or O-rings.
Maybe. What's your daughter doing? She's got awful quiet.
She's just
over there.
talking. I feel like I got a splinter in my arm. Probably doing this freaking bench. Maggie, come here, baby girl.
So now, next step will be let the pressure, or the, what's that thing called? Parts washer. Let the parts washer warm up.
Magnolia May. Come here.
Get her cleaned up. Clean her up real nice and pretty. Put the new seals in it, clean the pistons up, and go to town.
Yeah, that's all there is to it.
Then we'll have to put new rotors on, all 4 corners. New pads, all 4 corners. I think she's getting my wrenches.
I think so too. That's what it sounds like.
And then we'll have to burn the brakes in.
Making noises. Oh, she's fixing your nose now.
She's doing something, ain't she?
Yeah.
They're dirty, ain't they?
Well, I mean, they're on a dirt car, baby.
Well, they've got a lot of buildup because this one was dragging, so it was eating the pads and the rotor up.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of stuff there.
That one was dragging bad. Not barely dragging. It was dragging bad.
It was real bad.
Alright guys, so we had to go to the parts store for just a moment because Brad had to have this little pad right here, which is, did you already throw the wrapper away?
Come back, right store.
Oh. This stuff. He had to have some of that just so that he can get all the little imperfections out without actually scratching them, because that would defeat the whole purpose of using something like that if you're actually scratching it.
Good as new.
Look at you. Good job.
What is she?
Mobo's over there playing in something. Alright, so I'm going to set this up for a second and just let you guys watch him. Probably fast forward this.
so you can see right there, got the pistons back in with new seals. We didn't take the caliper apart to do any kind of internals. All the problem was right here on the seals. It was all the piston seals. I mean, you could tell it when we tried to get the pistons out. They was fairly difficult to get out. Normally you just pump a little air in them and they come right out, but it took a little bit of persuasion to get those out. So got those cleaned up. You saw me use the Scotch-Brite on them to get them cleaned up. Now we're gonna get over here, get this hub off, get the new rotor put on, and then we'll put the caliper back on and pump it and check the brakes. Got the brake line back on. Just lay this off the side right here so that it don't leak all the fluid out. I'll have to go get my big socket.
Yeah, I need wrenches over here. You better check and see what's over here. Huh? Sure she has them somewhere. Little thief right here.
We tried to wire these back together the other night at the racetrack. Gotta say, I'm not very happy with the quality or the
Customer service.
customer service from Fuse. So I got to use these one night, and the little plastic connector that connects all three of these wires. Been trying to engineer them to where they'll work.
We emailed them and told them, look, these already broke. You know, he used them 1 week. You used them at ECM. We went to Sonoa, and in hot laps, he got back to the trailer and they were broken. So, and we've emailed them, and I've explained to them 4 different times, and they still don't. They still just won't get it. So I guess we'll just chalk this up as a loss, $55 out the window, and go buy some new ones.
Yeah. Okay. Give me that. Jeez. Look, get your spring. Get your spring right here. Right.
Little hands is into everything.
That hit your head.
She was clean when she came down here, but these are brand new pants when she came down here. Get off of me! Ah! Oh gosh, her attacking me. Hey! Hey! Say hey, guys. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Them headphones definitely don't work now.
Yeah, well, they didn't work anyways. Yeah, that rotor there was used up pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see that. See, it don't have none of the veins in it no more. She was pretty thin. But that is the rotor that was sticking, or the caliper that was sticking. So, we'll throw that back there as a spare.
Alright, so now he's putting this rotor back on after he took the other one off. Oh my gosh. You don't want to torque those too hard, you just kind of want to tighten them, or?
Huh?
You don't want to torque those too tight, or?
I will not yet until I get them. I just want to make sure they're all
Dot cross those.
snug.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me find the other one. Torque gun. To my good torque gun, so we're just going to torque it to these specs. 3 Uggadugs, that's perfect.
3 Uggadugs.
We'll go 4 or 5 on that.
You went 19 on that one.
Might have.
You went 19 on that one. You can't go very hard with that bad boy right there.
Torque spec, perfect.
Cause that one will break a bolt slap off, won't it, babe?
Yeah, it will. Don't ask me how I know. Yeah, you can get your torque wrench out and check that. That'll be perfect to
3 Uggadugs.
whatever they're supposed to be torqued to. I don't know.
What are we looking at? Oh, this stuff.
A lot of people don't know that, but
Don't know what.
oh man, making a mess. Food grade white lithium grease, perfect for wheel bearings. You can see it's right where it's supposed to be. Bearings still good and tight. Good to go.
Where are we supposed to get that at?
You can get it at any Harbor Freight or Walmart you go to. All right, so we got the left front done and that. There you can see it's on. Got the new pads in. Got the caliper bled. All the air out the system. We'll be back down here tomorrow night. I'm gonna do the other 3. Get those 3 done. Start checking nuts and bolts and start on tires. There's a possibility we may be doing an engine change this week, but we're not 100% sure just yet. So we'll take that bull by the horns when it gets here. But anyways, we're finished up for tonight. Appreciate you guys watching. If you hadn't already, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you guys for watching.